Okay, this is the new mount. This is the front view. This is what it looks like from the side. And this is the back view. This is the one that's going to go against the wall. See, it's 90 degrees. And there's a box built to it. It's a box. See? It completely encloses. So this is what it looks like. And this is the top view. Looking at it from the top. So that goes against the 90-degree wall there. Those two fins. And this points out, and actually it's going to go up in here. This is where it's going to go underneath the gutter. And it comes out perpendicular to this corner. And it's 18 inches from the wall, 1.5 out from the edge of the corners. So that we're not able to see this way, all the way 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 against the tree, all the way this corner over here, all the way this way,